Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, today we are in the third session of Spoken Arabic. This is the conversation between two individuals who are discussing about their educational life, who are communicating with each other regarding their educational life. So education is called as taqlimun or at-taqlimu in Arabic. So let's begin. When did you start your life of learning? One male asks the other male. متى بدأت حياتك الدراسية؟ متى بدأت حياتك الدراسية? When this conversation would have been between two females, then this question would have been like this. متى بدأت حياتك الدراسية؟ متى بدأت حياتك الدراسية? There will be kasra on this ta and there will be kasra below this kaf. Next, I was 6 years old at that time. كان سني 6 سنوات آنذاك. كان سني 6 سنوات آنذاك. This آنذاك means back then or at that time. First, I went to the kindergarten. أولا ذهبت إلى روضة الأطفال. أولا ذهبت إلى روضة الأطفال. روضة الأطفال means the kindergarten. After KG, I went to the primary school. وبعد روضة الأطفال ذهبت إلى المدرسة الابتدائية. وبعد روضة الأطفال ذهبت إلى المدرسة الابتدائية. المدرسة الابتدائية means the primary school. Then I studied in the middle and secondary schools. ثم درست في المدرستين المتوسطة والثانوية أو والثانوية. ثم ثم درست في المدرستين المتوسطة والثانوية. What colleges are there in the university? Let's see this middle school and secondary school. Middle school is Al-Madrasatul Mutawassita and secondary school is Al-Madrasatul Thanawiyya. Okay. ما هي الكليات في الجامعة؟ ما هي الكليات في الجامعة؟ What colleges are there in the university? Colleges means كليات. الكليات the colleges. Singular is كلية. جامعة الجامعة is the university. College of Arts. كلية الآداب. Al-Adabu is arts. That can also be translated as the faculty of arts. Faculty, School of Sciences, Kulliyatul Ulum, Kulliyatul Ulum. Al-Ulumu is nothing but the sciences. College of Commerce, Kulliyatut Tijara, Kulliyatut Tijara. Medical College, Kulliyatut Tib, Kulliyatut Tib. Engineering College, Kulliyatul Handasati और Kulliyatul Handasah, Kulliyatul Handasah. Faculty of Law or Law School is called as Kulliyatul Huquq, Kulliyatul Huquq. Faculty of Agriculture, Kulliyatu Zira'a, Kulliyatu Zira'a. Faculty of Journalism, Kulliyatu Thaqafa, Kulliyatu Thaqafa. Which institutes are there in the university? ما هي المعاهد في الجامعة؟ ما هي المعاهد في الجامعة؟ المعاهد means the institutes. Singular, the institute will be al-ma'hadu. Al-ma'hadu. Institute of Economic Studies, Ma'hadul Ulumul Iqtisadiyah. Institute of Economic Studies is called as Ma'hadul Ulumul Iqtisadiyah. There is a printing mistake here. This will be pronounced as Ma'hadul Ulumul Iqtisadiyah. This is ayn here and not meme. Here sukun is there on ayn. That will be get cleared in the next sentence. Sorry. Uh, Institute of Oriental Studies, Ma'hadul Ulum Sharafiyah, Ma'hadul Ulum Sharafiyah, Institute of Oriental Studies. What are the degrees in the university? Degrees Ad-Darajat, single degree Ad-Darajat with ta marbuta at the end. What are the degrees in the university? ما هي الدرجات في الجامعة؟ ما هي الدرجات في الجامعة؟ Bachelor of Arts, Al-Baccalaureus, Al-Baccalaureus. Master of Arts, Al-Magister, Al-Magister. PhD, Doctorate, Ad-Doctora, Ad-Doctora. Diploma, Diplom, Diplom. Certificate is called as Shahada, Shahada. And that's the end of our today's lesson. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.